When it comes to lightweight, durable, and efficient camping cookware, titanium reigns supreme. A 750 ml titanium pot is a staple for backpackers and solo campers, offering the perfect balance of capacity and portability. With top brands competing for your attention, choosing the right one can be challenging. Let's explore 4 fantastic options in the 750 ml titanium pot category. Toaks is renowned for its no-frills, ultra-light titanium cookware. Their 750 ml pot embodies this philosophy, weighing in at a mere 3.6 ounces. Its minimalist design features simple foldable handles and a lid with a lockable grip. Gradations etched on the pot's interior allow for precise water measurements. Pros: extremely lightweight, affordable, compact, durable, well-constructed handles. Cons: none beyond the standard downsides common to all titanium backpacking pots. Tom Shoe offers a compelling alternative for budget-conscious campers. Their 750 ml titanium pot is surprisingly affordable, yet delivers the core benefits of titanium. It boasts similar features to the Toaks pot, including foldable handles, a lid, and etched measurements. Pros: very affordable, lightweight, versatile, good capacity. Cons: build quality may be slightly less refined than premium brands, and reportedly less durable. Snow Peak is a leader in premium outdoor gear, and their titanium cookware reflects that commitment. Their 700 milliliter pots are known for exceptional craftsmanship and attention to detail. Pros: high-quality construction, excellent durability, aesthetically pleasing design. Cons: more expensive than some competitors, only 700 milliliters in size compared to 750 milliliters in other pots. Vaultcan differentiates itself with a focus on ergonomics and user comfort. Their 750 milliliter pot features both foldable handles and a removable bail handle, offering flexibility in how you carry or hang the pot over a fire. The lid boasts a comfortable silicone grip for safer handling when hot. Pros: comfortable handles, versatile hanging options, included mesh bag, good capacity. Cons: slightly heavier than minimalist options, can be slightly more expensive. Titanium cookware is an investment that can elevate your camp cooking experience for years to come. All 4 of the brands discussed offer excellent quality and performance. By carefully considering your needs and the unique features of each pot, you'll find the perfect one to accompany you on your adventures. Find out more about the best backpacking and camping at tentoestravels.com.